Hi, welcome again to JView. Today we are discussing on the multi-recharge system. Okay, so here is the multi-recharge system that comes with the admin panel, and this one is coming all with retailer, master distributor, and API. So you can use multiple client, and we already integrate the WhatsApp to the send OTP and something else. Okay, so don't worry about that. Here is the registration and manage. Here you can master distributor and retailer. You can use it, and you can API settings on here. You can manage the multiple settings, and you can add also multiple settings that you want. The okay, so here is the multiple settings, and now you can add also your custom recharge system APIs. You can add on here, and you can use it, and it's become in an Android app that we build a unique app, not a full customized but unique app that we build up. And you can add money API. Now this one is API. You can manage and add it. You can add also on here, add API and edit operator codes. You can use multiples. So don't worry about that. Okay. So and you can use your UPI setting, and we are connect the each other to UPI and something. Okay, so you don't need to put any API on here, and you need something. No, you can manage directly get payment with your API, your UPI ID, and get in the your bank account instantly, and the balance or refill, it's automatically refill. So we make this one, so don't worry, this one is fully configured and manage the multiple systems. Now you can use this one, and I show you it's a user panel. Okay, so here is a user panel, and now you can recharge, mobile recharge. Okay, we have 6 options inside here, and in the future we can add APS settings. Okay, APS, we can add DMT service, just like money transfer service. You can use mobile, DTH, data card, postpaid, electricity, gas, insurance, and money transfers. And next service was APS. We add here. We add two operator, uh, two giver and two given servers that use for the APS. You can manage ICICI Bank UPI, you can manage FinoBank APS API, and you can add Yes Bank no, API. So if you want, then you can. Right now we add a balance fund into the client account. It's a manual right now. It's a manual, but after next 3 days, we build a automatic payment system inside here. Okay, and we can build payment mode from bank account also. This one automatic verified, and UPI QR also make automatic verified. No need any API to put on here and nothing. You just add your UPI ID, and boom, you are online. So this one is a recharge multiple service. Okay, you can manage balances, add balances, whatever you want. You can manage reward customer. Okay, you can register a customer just like you manage master retailer, and not even you use this one. Okay, so you can use API also. I can show you the API. If you not see the API, you are not provide to your client. It's not I show you. Okay, so don't worry about that. Here is the developer API. Okay, so don't worry about that. Here is the developer API. We add a developer API and operator codes all on here, and you can manage whitelist API and set callback URL. So don't worry about that. It's a fully managed. Okay, and you can add in admin account to set operator discounts and something you can manage from here. Set commission. Okay, you can set the commission with every single usable. Okay, and you can switch API also and create commission plan and add bank name, business type, edit setting and UPI setting. We add 3 more settings inside here to make the easy way to use and provide to the customer, and we also build a unique application to use to given to the direct customer to the client, and it will be more sufficient to use and log in directly, and it's comfort zone to use this application. Okay, so don't worry about that. We can make more sufficient and validation. Okay, so happy code. If you need this one multi recharge software, contact us. And no bugs, we giving the support also, and we add more feature. If you want, we can add also. Okay, it's one the APS BBPS, we can add the official API also we can add on here. So this one must be go far, not even this one. Okay, so relax about that. It will be not developed. We develop the more of thing in a 2017. We of the develop this. Right now we again take in the developing option, and now we have selling this also to the next project. We have a three theme. Sorry, we have a 10 option to front of that you can use the officially, and what you look you best, we can add the front option also was changed. Okay, in the customization in a CSS we can also do the most we can use, but still this one is the exit code that we take in a 2017. We of this one is a off record, we cannot running in the proper because of this project was stopped by us, and after the lockdown very casualty was concerned, so that's why we are not build this one. But right now the every need that we give and you can provide to your client and retailers and distributor to WhatsApp direct chatbot to recharge system. Okay, we also make the WhatsApp chatbot for you inside directly to use to use just like the word I you चलो मैं हिंदी में आता हूँ. कभी कभी बोलते हो आप कि मैं हिंदी में नहीं बात करता, तो मैं हिंदी में भी बात करता हूँ. हिंदी में बात करने का मौका मिल रहा है आज मुझे, तो मैं कर लेता हूँ. इसमें क्या होगा कि आपको व्हाट्सएप पे रिचार्ज के लिए डायरेक्ट मिलेगा. मतलब कि आपका कोई भी रिटेलर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर या कस्टमर हुआ या कोई भी हुआ, उसने आपको व्हाट्सएप पे भी अगर मैसेज किया कि रिचार्ज 199 जियो and after the number it will be directly recharged with your system. We can make the most beautiful of things inside here, never come in the market, so you can use it. Okay, good luck.